How to archive items in Twitch. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to archive items in Twitch. Now, archiving items on Twitch must enable specific settings in your creator dashboard. So what you want to do is enable automatic VOD archiving. Open up your Twitch application from the browser. If this particular option isn't available for the mobile version of it. Next, you just want to click onto the profile at the top right, and when you click onto the profile, you'll be able to find a lot of options, right? Click on Creator Dashboard from the list, and when you go to the Creator Dashboard section from the left hand side bar, tap onto the menu bar and go to Settings from the list. Here it is. When you click onto the settings button, you then need to go to the theme section. Here it is. So as you go to the theme section, you need to scroll and locate VOD settings. So here in the left right hand side corner, you could find the VOD settings, and you want to go ahead and toggle the button. Once done, you want to go to the creator dashboard and go to the content and video producer once again. So here it is, video producer. You can just go ahead and locate it, and that is how you'll be able to save contents on your device. So this way you could go and archive items in Twitch. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.